Now let's start the lab. Share data using the Google Data Cloud. Okay, click on start. Okay, now open this. Now copy this data partnership username, then open in a incognito mode. Paste over here. Now copy that data sharing partner password. Now we need to paste over here. Then click on next. Now click on I understand. Click on agree and continue. Now here click on search box. Now go to BigQuery. Okay, click on done. Click on untitled query. Okay, go back to the lab. Just drag from here. Click on task 1. Now we need to copy this query. Okay, now after copying this, paste over here. Then click on run. Then the query is going to run. Okay, once the query is going to complete, we need to give the IAM permissions. Okay, now query got completed. Now what we need to do, we need to give the permissions. Okay, click on save view. Okay, go back to the lab. Okay, now just copy this one. Okay, come back over here, click on dataset, select the demo dataset, paste the table name which we have copied, click on save. Now in the top left side here, this one, just click this. Now you can see this authorized view. Now click on this. Okay, click on this 3 line and click on share, click on manage permission. Okay, now click on add principal, click on add principal, go back to the lab. Okay, scroll a bit, click on this check my progress, scroll a bit. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, on the student number we're giving the permission, just click paste over here, click the select view, select role, click on BigQuery. In the BigQuery, just click BigQuery data viewer, click on save. That's it. After giving the role on this, they also mentioned, okay, grant the customer user access to this view they have mentioned. Okay, for that we need to go back to the lab. Okay, click on this left side demo data set, click on this. Okay, now click on share, click on authorized views. Okay, now we need to enter here, go back to our lab. Okay, just copy this. Okay, copy this carefully. Now go back to this, just click on paste. Okay, now you can see here authorized view, paste that, click on add authorization. Now you can see here. Okay, here it is visible, you have already authorized. Go back to here, go back to our lab. Okay, click on check my progress. First one got completed, second one is also will complete. Now you can read this. For this task too, you will need to log into the customer project console with the associated credential, which where you can scroll a bit, you can see customer username and customer password. So we need to log into the customer credentials. Okay, now we need to close the lab. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to log in with the customer console. We need to log in, click on login with the incognito, just copy this customer username. Okay, go back to here, click on paste the username and go back to the lab. Okay, copy the password. Okay, go back to this, click on password, enter the password, click on next. Okay, now click on under I understand. As usual, same process, click on agree and continue. Now click on this, click on BigQuery. Okay, now click on done, click on untitled query, go back to the lab. In the lab, just copy this command, go back to here, paste in the lab. Okay, click on run. This statement modified 14 rows in the custom info. The query got completed and as shown, this statement modified in the this one as whatever they have shown. We can see that. Now what we need to do, we need to go to the task 3. As usual, same process, we need to create the customer authorized view. Just copy this one. Okay, now go back to the lab, click on new tab, new query. Okay, in the new query, just go back to this lab. Okay, in the project console only. Now what we need to do, we need to create this. For that, we need to copy this query. Okay, go back to the lab, just copy this, paste over here. Okay, then click on run. The query got completed within seconds. Now click on save view. Okay, click on customer dataset. Now go back to here. Now copy this one, just copy this one. Okay, go back to the lab. Okay, enter the table name of this, click on save. That's it, finished. Now go back to the task 3, click on check my progress. Okay, that was completed. Now what we need to do, we need to click the authorized view for this. Okay, and we need to give the permission for this. For that we need to as simple as that. Click on this. Okay, now for this, just here click on this, share and a permission. Okay, go back to this, just copy this student id. Okay, now go back over here, click on add principal, click on new principal, add that. Okay, click on select role, as usual BigQuery data viewer role, click on that, click on save. That's it, you have given the permission. What we need to do, we need to give this customer dataset permission, we need to give. For that we need to authorize the views. What we need to do, click on this customer data, click on customer dataset, now click on share, manage permission. Okay, now we need to authorize the no, sorry, now here customer data set. Now what we need to click on share, click on authorize views. Okay, go back over here. Okay, now copy this one customer authorized view, copy this, go back over here, just paste over here authorized view, paste over here, click on this, click on add authorization as we have done already in the data partner. Okay, click, hope you can see here which is authorized, click on close. Okay, now go back to our lab, click on check my progress. Okay, it get verified, task 4 is left. Okay, for that simply we need to close the previous lab. Okay, now what we need to, we need to open this customer project console again, but log in with the data sharing partner credential. This credentials we need to enter, copy this, go back over here, click on paste. Okay, go back to here again, I'm telling you, you need to log in with the customer project console with these credentials and paste over here. Go back to the lab, click on paste, click on this. Okay, now after logging in, go back to task 4. Okay, in the task 4 you can see here Google data show, just right click, open in incognito mode. Okay, after opening in the cognito mode, wait for 2 minutes, click on continue, then click on your account. Okay, now click on create report. Okay, select the country, any country, write anything, click on this, agree, then click on continue. Okay, just click on yes to all, then click on continue. Okay, now click on create report. After clicking create report, it's going to redirect to this. Okay, from here we need to select this BigQuery one. Okay, click on BigQuery. Okay, now click on authorize, select your account. Now in the lab, okay, we are getting 2, right? So just click this first one. Okay, which data set you're getting, data customer data set you're getting, click this one, which one you're getting demo data set. But for that we need to verify only for the customer data set. So click on this, go to wherever the customer data set is there, you just click that customer data set. Now click on this authorized view, click on add. That's it, click on add to report. You will redirect it to this. Go back to the lab. Okay, we are in the lab now, click on this. That's it, completed. Now you can check here. Okay, you can check 100 out of 100, you will get it. That's it, lab was completed. Click on end. If you like my